Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are staying safe in this prevailing situation. So today we are back with a super easy recipe, that is Aval ladoos, or you can also call it as poha ladoos. So these Aval ladoos are not only quick to make but also make for a good sweet snack for kids and even for adults. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So to begin with, take 1 cup of Aval, put it into a large bowl and wash it really well. So make sure you wash it really well with your hands. Don't overwash the Aval because it could become mushy later. Now strain the excess water and make sure it is not soggy. Now let's add the rest of the ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 to 8 tablespoons of grated fresh coconut and 3 tablespoons of jaggery. Now for this part, use your hands to knead everything really well. Once it is done, take some amount of the mixture to make the poha or Aval ladoos. Use your hand to create the perfect balls. And we are done! The perfect Aval ladoos are ready! So this recipe is very easy to make without any complicated ingredients in most of the kitchen. So we have come to the end of the video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, bye!